This may look like an ordinary 3D printed lightsaber, but it's made with quantum dots, which means it does this. Of course, we can also do red and yellow, even orange. What you're looking at isn't just glowing plastic. These are quantum dots embedded directly into 3D printed parts. Quantum dots are these tiny semiconductor particles, so small the size is actually our control of the color, almost bending the laws of physics. So when you shine UV light on them, they absorb that energy, they re-emit it at very precise wavelengths. This is why the green is so pure, the red is so deep. It's the same technology actually that's used in high-end TVs for vivid color, but here it's used for 3D printed parts. So to really make these quantum dots pop, I use a UV flashlight. I got this one on Amazon, I'll put a link up. The advantage to this one is it can focus and defocus, and so that changes how it looks when you put it into the lightsaber. Now we can get a really cool effect in the lightsaber as we focus and defocus the light and illuminate along the length of the 3D printed part with quantum dots. So I couldn't help myself and I had to nerd out on this. So I actually measured the exact spectrum of both the red and the green quantum dots. Here you can see the result. The green is a 528 nanometer green wavelength and a full width half max, that's the peak width, of 37.5. And the red is 633 nanometers with about a 35 nanometer full width half max. I've got to give credit to Protopasta, who did some mixing here to make orange and yellow quantum dot filament as well. So they took the red and the green quantum dots that they were provided and mix them at different ratios to give orange and yellow. If you really want to nerd out, I put the exact color coordinates on there, and these, while they look kind of lackluster in room light, man, do they look cool when you illuminate them with a UV light. Now, something I wasn't expecting when I started making these prints was that the white would turn out so interesting. When you illuminate it with a UV light, it actually gives quite a vibrant blue color. So not only can we do red and green and other colors with the quantum dots, we also have access to blue just by using a white filament. And it looks really cool in the dark. So I had to figure out what was going on. So I measured the blue spectrum, and it actually matches really well to this still beam derivative. It's an optical brightening agent. It's very commonly used in laundry detergent to make our clothes actually look cleaner. And they're also using it in this 3D printed filament here. There's other cool things you can do, like make logoed cards, which, by the way, you can illuminate from the front or the back side, because the quantum dot filament is semi-transparent. And since we now have blue, red, and green, we can mix and match colors with our lightsaber. And now we have a really cool looking lightsaber. Just imagine the possibilities we can do now with 3 colors. All right, so quick question for you. What should I do next? I think there's a lot of places this could go. Instead of printing something just decorative, what if we make something functional? Let me know your ideas. If you're into this sort of stuff, stick around.